Hi guys, Regina Sober from Eat Travel Life. It's kind of windy today. Update on our winter sowing and how it's going. Ooh, rhyming. So let's take a look. Today is March 23rd. It's 73 degrees out. It has been unusually warm here in Michigan. And you might notice, hey Regina, some of your jugs are missing. Yep, they are. It's been quite windy and 3 tumbled away and pretty much lost all their seeds. So we've got what we've got at this point. Definitely would have considered, like I said in the last video, hooking them to something so they don't move by their handles. I think I have seen one plant, maybe a few plants in here growing for carrots. I don't see any other activity in these. It's also why we've only got some of our plants in here in case this didn't work. It wasn't our only way of gardening. My husband has started seedlings in the house for cabbage because he doesn't believe in winter sowing and and I don't even know if you can do cabbage or not, but that's his take on it. He said, nice try. A lot of the seeds that we used were older, so maybe that has something to do with it. But we're going to keep going. And one of the things I've done, because it's been so dry and it hasn't rained and we haven't had snow to help moisten these, is I have been watering them. But there's been no condensation in them. So that's probably part of the germination that's not happening. So I did water them, hoping that they will germinate a little bit more. And we'll see more activity. You know, the carrot seeds are old, so that's a good sign that those will still work. Those, I want to say, were 2 or 3 years old. So don't give up, just keep going, but have a backup plan just in case this isn't your only, this doesn't work. You want to still be able to have a garden. So let me know how your winter sowing is going, and best of luck.